Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to scan YouTube QR code in TV. So if you want to scan your YouTube QR code using your mobile phone, then this is a video for you. You can scan the YouTube QR code using an iPhone, and at the same time, you can scan the YouTube QR code on your TV using your Android phone. So whichever device you have, whether Android or TV, you'll be able to scan your YouTube QR code with your phone on your TV. So first, you want to make sure you have the QR code you want to scan on your TV as it is. Now, to scan your QR code using iPhone, all you need to do is on your iPhone, scroll down the control center and then click on scanner. So once you click on the scanner, then you should see this scanner pops, and then go ahead and scan the YouTube QR code. And you're going to see, do you want to allow opening this QR code in YouTube? Click on always allow, and this is going to open YouTube directly on your iPhone. Then you can easily continue as your YouTube account. Alternatively, if you use Android, what you want to do on your Android is the same thing. Just go ahead on your Android and then open your camera. And once you open the camera application, go ahead and scan the QR code like that, and then click on the YouTube name on the screen, and then hang on. This is going to open the YouTube application straight on your phone, and once it opens, click on this drop menu to select the Gmail account you want to use on your TV. Once it's selected the Gmail account you want to use, go ahead and click on continue as your name, and then hang on for a second. This part that says connect the device to your Google account. To connect this device to your Google account, you need to click on continue, and of course, if you confirm the code on your phone and the code on your TV here, you discover that both codes are the same. So once the code here and the one on your phone are the same, just go ahead and click on continue. And then once you click on continue, then go ahead and click on the Gmail account again, since you want to connect your Gmail account and your TV together to scan the QR code. After that, just hang on a couple of seconds. You need to allow YouTube access to your Google account. So go ahead and click on allow. Then hang on. You should see you are now signed in to the TV. Then you are good. You just need to hang on a couple of seconds. And after that, you see all your YouTube channel on the screen. Then go ahead and select the YouTube channel you want to use on your TV. And then you are good. So you can now go ahead and start exploring YouTube on your smart TV. So that is basically how to scan YouTube QR code in TV. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.